humidity, 70-degree days, and that's what we're going to have tomorrow.
Yeah,
So
definitely. Now we do need to just note real quick, they said they have these strawberry donuts, so if you go out there, try it.
Which we didn't try.
They didn't have them
They didn't have them ready yet. Oh, man, we went too early. All right, here we go. Let's get you caught up on that forecast. So I just gave you a little tease of the weekend, but to get there, we've got to get on the other side of a storm system. On the backside of the storm system, cooler, drier air coming in. Out ahead of it, we've got higher humidity that will be increasing today, so muggier air coming in, warmer air. That's going to lead to more instability in the atmosphere, and storms are going to try to tap into that. Right now, sitting pretty. Good morning to you across northwest Arkansas, upper 50s to mostly lower 60s. A few spots in the mid-60s in northwest Arkansas. More of those mid-60s mixing in around the Arkansas River. And then we've got some lower 60s as well, back into the Ouachita's from Poto down to Waldron, sitting around 60, 61 degrees. Good morning to y'all. All right, we've been watching this complex of storms. Got going yesterday, late in the day, out in far west Texas, out in the panhandles. Moved overnight across Oklahoma. Now we're seeing a batch of this rain pushing into eastern Oklahoma, extending down towards southern Oklahoma and southeastern areas. Getting close now, below severe limits. We don't have that much instability in the atmosphere right now, so I'm not worried about these becoming severe. But once the front comes through later today, we could see a few stronger storms fire up along that. Again, we're going to see these showers and thunderstorms increasing. We've still got a little bit of time, a couple hours, but closer to mid-morning, 9, 10 o'clock, we should see some of these showers and rumbles of thunder moving into the area, moving into Tulsa now. So if you're heading west on 412 or I-40, you're going to run into those showers and thunderstorms. Again, that front, which is still way out towards the west and northwest Oklahoma now, that comes through later today. What happens this morning will directly affect later today. If we get more rain to slow down, come in a little bit later in the morning and linger into the early afternoon hours, we've got thick cloud cover. It'll actually help lower our severe risk for later today. Let's say the showers and thunderstorms just completely fall apart. We don't see much activity and we get breaks of sunshine, then we're going to see the chance for severe weather going up. I think the rain's going to come in and it could shift that severe threat even a little bit further to the south. Areas near and south of I-40, though, I just still want to stay on guard for the potential of damaging hail and some damaging wind gusts. Those are our primary threats. Tornado threat's not zero, but it is there. And especially south of I-40, a little bit more spin in the atmosphere can't be ruled out later today. Future track radar doing a good job picking up on the rainfall, bringing it into the area, still weakening it some as it crosses the state line. This is around mid-morning, around 10 o'clock. So we'll get the showers to continue to shift off towards the east. If we can get some breaks of sun and to get time for the atmosphere to recover, especially near and south of I-40, better shot for some of these thunderstorms to pulse and pop up, and those could have some of the hail and some gusty winds. Still some thunderstorms to the north are possible, but I think that severe threat is shifting even further south. When we get an update around 12 o'clock from the Storm Prediction Center, I wouldn't be shocked if that level 2 risk isn't further off towards the south. Thunderstorms will shift towards central Arkansas, and we'll see the rain start to break up as we go into the overnight hours. That thunderstorm risk really goes down by mid to late evening, and then again as we get into tomorrow, should be drier. Highs today, low to mid 70s for northwest Arkansas, and then as we get into the River Valley and the Ouachita's, we're going to be in the upper 70s to lower 80s. I think we'll have areas ranging from about 78 to 82 degrees, and we could have a little bit more of that mugginess in the air for some of those storms to tap into. So again, showers and thunderstorms coming in mid-late morning for sure into the early afternoon hours. We're going to try to get a little bit of a break before that front comes in, and then we could see some thunderstorms redevelop. Again, it may be shifting a little bit more south is what I'm seeing in the data right now, so we'll keep an eye on that. Weekend looks beautiful. Low to mid-70s, northwest Arkansas, upper 70s, River Valley, and again, Sunday morning, northwest Arkansas, some upper 40s are going to be possible, and 50s in the River Valley, so very cool, crisp, late spring morning for us.
Good deal. And we promised you at the top of the show we'd tell you about the graduations. It's Northside in Fort Smith that they're thinking about possibly moving theirs. They're taking a look at the weather, and then Bentonville also maybe pushing theirs back an hour. So just before you head out to any graduations, check first before you head out. Make sure it's still on time and in the same location.
Yeah, rain chances off and on kind of in the day, possible scattered activity, but the threat for a shower actually does stay there all day for pretty much most of 5 country. The threat is certainly there.
Yeah, definitely. All right, stay with us. We'll have more.